Hey, DJ. Hey, Granny baby. Coda, you eating? You eat your breakfast? That's your baby? Say hi.
Hi.
DJ, say hi.
Hi, DJ.
Hi.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hey.
Say, I'm Dakota.
Hi.
Good morning. This is from Mississippi. What is your screen name again? Mississippi girl, Gardner, North Carolina. I think I got it right. So, I bought some of that Miracle Grow, and I've never used it before. So this is the first time I would be using it, and I wanted to show you. And today is the 26th that I'm using it on my plants. I pray for you, little buddies. I know it's something new. Joking. But I wanted you to see that I did buy the fertilizer, and I would like to see myself how it do. So today, before we get whatever possible rain, I am fertilizing everything and let nature do its course, because I want to make sure my babies have a chance to get their weekly fertilizing. So I will keep you updated on how the fertilizer actually do on my babies. So thank you for the suggestion, or thank you for showing me what you used, and that's why I can save my 511, and that gives me a chance to open up my what you call it, my selection, because I only use mostly the 511 outside of my other granule fertilizers. So thank you again, Mississippi Girl Garden, North Carolina, and we will I will keep you updated. Listen to me, I can't talk. I will keep you updated on the progress. And guys out there, remember, you can always learn something new. Although I still know I'm a new gardener, you can still learn stuff from other new gardeners. Yeah, so pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Mississippi Girl, Garden, North Carolina. I'm gonna try this because I really want to see the opportunities my poor little plants have. So I'm gonna end this video by saying thank you. This little spider will not, and he won't die. Stays in my little plant right there. So I have one more round of this, and I'm done. So because I'm fertilizing, I'm not gonna do what you call a heavy watering, because we're due to get the rain. So my goal right now is to make sure all my beds get some fertilizer, and therefore it's gonna take me less trips. So instead of like 3.5 trips, we should be like at 2. This should be the only trip. I'm sorry, the camera's all everywhere. I'm holding them with my hand this time versus having to sit up on my little bitty mini tripod. But Yeah, so because we just doing a fertilizing and it's gonna rain, I'm trying to I will be using less water, meaning one trip. So I have 3 more gallons that whoa, something on my nose, have to use. And let's just hope. Oh, I left one of them in the house. Let's just hope that rain actually comes, man. Oh gosh. Because look at here. I can take a week off. You understand my pain if you water everything by hand. When I say lessons learned, child, lessons learned. This poor bed here, I know it's neglected. I'm trying to do better by it. Get my watering game back up. At the beginning, it's okay. But when they get to be tiresome, shh. Man, look at here. See, like these sunflowers? After the rain, these haven't rebloomed. It might be just dead, maybe. I'm gonna take these out anyway. This one, he might have a little bit better life, so he might stay. But I'm definitely about to get this particular bed done with because I need to finish. Need to get that red thing, that trough. Guys, it is so heavy. Man, my brother and my husband were struggling together. So that's it for watering. Be back. No, Papa. No. What are you doing? Go in there with your sister. Get. Go. Get. Go. Get that mess, little one. What are you doing with that? You gonna eat it? DJ. DJ. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no. So, it didn't come with a scooper, but it did come with a twist tie. So I guess it wants you to make sure that you tie the bag up after you're done with it. Luckily, I have my own. Let's see. I have my own scooper. So this will stay in mine. And I would twist it up and put it up. So thank you guys for watching. Mississippi girl in North Carolina. I will keep you posted on how this goes. So let's get to watering. Let me close the door. Come on. Hold it, get up. Let's go. Come on. Say hi. Say hi. Get your brother. Come on, baby. Don't hit him. Come on. Come on. What is you yelling for? Come on here. Don't get a spot pop. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Hey, get up. Get up. Get up. Look at my floor. Oh my gosh. Stop, girl. Don't close him in there. I need toddler rescue. Help me, guys. Look. Look. DJ, come here. Come on. You want to go outside? Look at this one. What are you doing, Dakota? Well, guys, look at the skies. Hopefully we get this rain. It keep looking like this. The radar showing that it's in my area, but it has not dropped. And I'm just so patiently waiting for these here to collect. Oh, okay. Let's see what happens.